Welcome to another video. This is a very exciting time. We are doing a very exciting project. So हम build करने वाले हैं India's first GT40 and probably the world's first GT40 with a K24 engine. The famous Honda K24. So this is a brainchild of Chitwan. This is Chitwan. Hi Chitwan.
Hi.
Welcome to Naughty Nut. Chitwan के बारे में we'll talk in detail in a moment. तो ये टीम के अंदर कौन कौन होने वाले हैं? So there is the beast, the monster, Kishan. Obviously, we have our intern Chirag, and Varun. He is my friend. He is just sitting over here. He is just sitting over here. He is just visiting Naughty Nut, and obviously me. तो इनको जब help चाहिए, कुछ चाय वाय चाहिए तो मैं help कर दूँगा, right? So that being said, I'm really excited. अभी now let's talk about Chitwan. Chitwan, tell us about yourself first. You know where you studied, what you have done. It's very interesting.
Okay. I have done transportation designing in my bachelor's and as well as in masters. I did my bachelor's from Pune, where I got a really great opportunity to make a Shelby Cobra 427 from scratch. और
Yes.
वो हम दो लोगों ने बनाया था in a garage in scorching heat, and it took us 8 months because लोग team नहीं था हमारे पास.
Right.
And it was a huge project. It was
Right.
nice. It came out really nice. The client was very happy. After that, मैं इटली चला गया. I did internship with Lamborghini. It was school internship
Right.
for 9 months. Where we made
So you were in Italy for 9 months at
No, I was
Lamborghini.
there for 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. But you at Lamborghini you were there for
For 9 months.
9 months.
Yeah.
Okay.
So in 1 year, I had like another opportunity also where we had a Ducati internship, but it was a group project.
Group project.
Yeah.
Right. So you were at Ducati as well.
Yeah, but it was from sponsored from college.
College.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So
But you were like properly Italy के Lamborghini के plant के अंदर.
Yeah.
You were like rubbing skin with the Italians and.
yeah, the design. was
Yes.
nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So how is the atmosphere at Lamborghini?
I will say as a startup student, they do expect a lot from you.
Achha.
And no matter what you do, they'll try to find out a mistake and
Mistake.
show you low. So
Yeah.
I will say rather than learning designing,
Yeah.
उधर जाके मैंने सीखा कि कोई गाली दे तो कैसे सहना है. And
They are
you
very
never give
harsh.
up. Yeah, and you never give up. You keep on doing.
You keep on pushing,
Yeah.
pushing because they are at a level and they expect कि भाई you
You
should
also
be
be
over
there.
there or somewhere there.
But they need to think like that, right? They were also here. When
Right,
it's a
right,
growing
right.
process. But
Right.
anyways.
Right, right. So this is a message for Lamborghini Italy. Take it easy. Take it easy on the boys, right? Okay. So now you are here,
Yeah.
right? And how did this beautiful project come to your mind? Like, you know, what are your plans? Obviously GT40 तो होने वाला है, but you know we want to know the inception, the idea. कि ये idea कैसे आया?
To make a GT40,
Yes.
okay, the stupidest thing I'll say today is I don't want anybody to sit in my car, so nobody in my family will fit inside this
Yes.
car.
So that's why you went for GT40.
That's why I went for GT40.
Yes.
Or else I had an option to make a Shelby Cobra again for
Right.
myself.
Right, right. But
But,
you have already done that.
yeah.
So he has made the Shelby Cobra. उसके pictures हम डालेंगे. Really nice. You can't figure out कि ये you know original है कि ये इधर इंडिया में बनाई गई हुई. And you used a 118 NE engine.
Engine.
And the frame is from
From
Premier.
Panini, yeah.
Premier Panini. Right. So we're gonna attach some pictures. You can have a look. It's really nice, nicely done. Now let's get down to the business. और कि GT40 में what we are doing, what he's doing. Right. So first, you know, let's talk about the model. कि ये वाला जो मॉडल, क्योंकि GT40 में there were I think Mark 1,
Mark 2,
2.
and then there's a road legal version for people.
Right.
After winning Le Mans. So whoever have seen Ford versus Ferrari will
Ford versus
know
Ferrari.
Ford GT very well.
Right. So this is the Mark 1.
Mark 1, yeah.
This
Mark
is Mark 1.
successor. This is the winner of Le Mans, which
अच्छा.
destroyed the Ferrari. I
हाँ
think.
तो ये जो मूवीज थी Ford versus Ferrari में it's the same
Yeah, it's the same car.
same car and
Same
have
car.
you made any changes?
Yeah, I have made it like the road legal version,
Right.
where we have like the two different scope.
अच्छा
वो GT
ओरिजिनल में ये नहीं था
नहीं वो सिंगल स्कूप था like it's a big scoop over
Big.
here because it was 24 hours Le Mans winning
Right.
racing car,
Right,
so
right.
they need more air intake.
Right.
But to make it more clean and nice for me,
Right.
I have done a road legal
अच्छा
version.
तो ये वाला किया हुआ है
And
और
also for the rear,
हाँ
we have okay sorry this is software so.
हाँ
So for the rear they had a flaps over here which we have converted into a window.
into a window हाँ
So we can have a nice look at the engine.
right तो these are the changes you
Changes,
made
yeah.
और
And also for the bumper which is quite
हाँ.
like a road legal version.
हाँ
where we
so
can
bumper
have
is like this original में there was just like
just a grill.
grill
Yeah.
there was just a
mashed
grill and it was very rough like एकदम abruptly
Yeah,
this
yeah.
looks like okay,
Even I have like
this
I don't
looks
know
normal.
if we can see over here, but let's go here. Yeah, but I
Oh,
have, like,
you have diffusers as well.
diffusers.
Wow.
to
Wow.
make it look.
This looks really racy.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is gonna win the Le Mans for sure.
That's
Yeah.
the plan. But there's no
Right.
different, no other changes in the model.
Right. So nothing.
Yeah.
Because I see the A pillar is little bit different.
Yeah, pillar is like little slanted over
हाँ.
because
Slanted और इधर से जो connect कर रहा है where it connects
to the body.
to the body.
Yeah,
it's,
I like in a model I don't have that perfect lip.
हाँ. So I think in the original version it's like very much
Very
straight.
straight, yeah.
हाँ.
This is much more leaned
Yes,
backwards.
it's flowing. This one is flowing.
Flowing.
nicely.
Because we can have a window which can have a small opening. Because
Right.
in original car there's no window. There are no windows that's rolling down. or anything.
Right.
You're sitting in an oven.
Right. So, how we gonna proceed with this? तो हमारे पास दो टीम है. One is our team. We are gonna focus on the chassis. So chassis, suspension, all that we are taking care of. The engine and everything we are taking care of. There is another team which is Chitwan's team. वो करेंगे काम ऑन दी बॉडी है फिर इंटीरियर है वो सब ये मैन्युफैक्चर करेंगे और हम दोनों को सिंक करके बिकॉज वी कॉन्स्टेंटली इन टच वी गोना डिज़ाइन द फ्रेम एंड द बॉडी इन अ वे दैट एवरीथिंग कम्स टुगेदर. अभी टेक्निकली बात करें देन उसका जो व्हील बेस और ट्रैक विथ है इज़ गोना बी ओरिजिनल. तो जो ओरिजिनल में जो ट्रैक विथ था और व्हील बेस है हम वही रखने वाले हैं. द इंजन ऑब्वियसली इज गोनो बी आवर ट्रांसवर्स माउंट K24 फ्रॉम Honda, राइट. द सस्पेंशन, everything, the geometry, everything we gonna design. The knuckles, if we have to design, we'll be designing knuckles as well. So it's a very interesting project. तो पूरा process क्या हो रहा है, how we are building it, what we are doing, will cover everything, right? So it's going to be very much interesting. With the engine we gonna keep it stock as of now. Turbo add नहीं करेंगे, कुछ नहीं करेंगे, थोड़ा हम tuning करेंगे. We gonna have a custom exhaust. तो वो एकदम header is gonna be 4x2x1 then again 2. So 4, 2, 1 फिर वापस 2. So end में there will be 2 tips coming off, right? Now let me show you Chitwan's Cobra. So this is his Cobra.
Which we made in that garage.
Yes.
So
it was yellow. I think it was blue.
it was blue, but this is the first paint which we did to
Right.
check the reflection on the.
Right.
Because we made the car from POP.
अच्छा ये this thing is POP.
Yeah. After that, this is a plastic putty.
अच्छा,
which
plastic
you put,
putty.
Yeah. So
Oh,
उसको
nice.
water sand करना पड़ता है like with a water and you
Right.
get a fine finished surface.
Fine. It's smooth एकदम.
Yeah, so this was just to check the reflection ki
Right.
how good are we achieving the surface
Right,
quality.
right.
And these guys are the fiberglass team who made these sections to cut
Right,
out in
right.
pieces. This is the
अच्छा,
negative.
this is the negative.
Yeah.
अच्छा, इसके ऊपर you did the
then,
fiberglass board.
Yeah, this are
Oh,
the,
this is the final
part,
board.
right.
Oh,
and then we
nice.
started cutting out the
Nice.
doors and all.
The wheelbase of this car was matching with the original.
Yeah. So basically, it's a Any 118 plus Gypsy chassis.
Plus Gypsy.
Yeah.
Oh my God, बहुत yeah, it's mix.
So Gypsy का पीछे का bucket लिया था because we needed a shock tower and the fuel
Right.
tank was located at the back in Shelby Cobra.
Right.
So we measured it and got a cutout in the same way.
Right.
So front is what?
Front is 118 again.
Yeah.
I see the suspension. I recognize this.
And
Right.
पीछे का is just Gypsy.
Okay.
Frame.
Or this took you
8-9 months
8-9 months.
to build the entire car, but the outcome was really
Oh
nice.
my God. Oh my God. Like this is real. 427 number भी एकदम.
So this is a short frame where you can see this is me and this is my partner. His name is Vishnu
Vishnu.
Pratap,
Right.
and that's how
This is your work.
yeah,
Amazing.
that's how the car was.
This is amazing.
Yeah, and it was just made in a shed, as I said.
Oh.
And
It's
the
a
front-
backyard garage. Yes. Very nicely done. Very good finish. So this Cobra was done in about 8 months. 8 to 9 months. मगर we have a deadline जो हमने हमारे लिए रखी है is of 3 months and I want to finish it in maybe 2 months, maybe before that if we can, right? So we'll take you through the process. That's it for this video. Stay tuned, it's going to be amazing. And one more thing, probably हमारी GT40 बन जाएगी, उसके बाद we want to race it with Tanna Dhaval's, what car is it?
He made Tenzo Milan.
Tenzo and the Lycan, both. So just want to see, he is working, we are working. So we want to race it, we want 3 cars side by side and probably, we'll race it. We'll just see, how the performance is and how it goes. So maybe, we'll take it on the track, our 1 car and his 2 cars. And, go for a spin and let's see how it feels. And obviously we'll invite you. You can check out our work. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.